Good morning, Seven Green. I certainly miss seeing all of you. I'm sorry if there was a little confusion over your assignment from yesterday, Thursday, and today, Friday. So I want to talk just a little bit about those things so that hopefully that will make it clearer. Also, if you have any questions, certainly email me, and I'm going to send you a email on Monday letting you know that on Tuesdays, every Tuesday, I'm going to do a Zoom office hour. So I'll do a Zoom, I believe at 10 o'clock each Tuesday, so that we can have some face-to-face discussion over anything that you're confused about. So let's get on to yesterday. So yesterday Thursday you looked at dividing Germany. So when you looked at this map, it won't go to, there you go. When you looked at this map, you would have seen that Germany was divided into 4 parts after World War II. You know, that happened during the Yalta Conference, that the US, France, and Britain each controlled a section of Western Germany, and the Soviet Union controlled a portion of East Germany. What's the problem with that? Well, the problem with that is Berlin. Berlin is right here, about 100 miles into the Soviet-occupied section of Germany. Well, what did they decide to do? They had decided also to divide Berlin in half. So West Berlin was controlled by the US, Britain, and France. East Berlin was controlled by the Soviet Union. Well, that led to some tension. The people in East Berlin could see that the people in West Berlin had more freedoms. The people in West Berlin had better economic opportunity. So what did they want to do? The people in East Berlin wanted to go to the West. Well, the soldiers, the USSR, the Soviet Union, controlled soldiers, they didn't like that because they didn't want it to appear that communism wasn't working. So they wanted to do whatever they could to stop East Berliners from leaving to West Berlin. So that's going to kind of go with what you're working on today. Yesterday, you did answer 2 quick questions on the map on your reading. Let me check here. Okay, so right here, you should have answered these 2 questions, which I kind of just talked to you about. Yesterday, you were going to say you were part of the Soviet government in East Berlin. Your people keep leaving and going to West Berlin. Answer these 2 questions. Why are they leaving? What can you do to stop them from leaving? All you needed to do is click submit, and then a text box will pop up. I just want your thoughts. Nothing big. Just what are your thoughts? Why do you think they're leaving? And what can you do to stop them from leaving? So again, that was the work from yesterday. Just getting you kind of seeing, okay, this is what's going on in Germany. Here's where we're moving to hopefully what you think is the fun part. So I'm going to put this video right in here in just a second for you to go ahead and look at. Your work is a continuation from yesterday. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to be creating a structure. Based on what you learned yesterday about dividing Berlin, use things at your house. Popsicle sticks, Legos, hard spaghetti, hard pasta, cardboard, index cards, whatever you want. Use the things from your house to create or draw a structure to keep people from leaving East Berlin. This is whatever kind of structure you want. Be creative. After you have created your structure, you're either going to take a picture or a video of your structure. You're going to upload that. We've done this many times in class, but just in case you forgot how to do that, I gave you some directions. Then I also want you to make a media recording. That means you can either use a camera, a webcam, and you can actually do a video of you talking about your structure and how it's going to keep people from East Berlin leaving to West Berlin. Or there is an opportunity that you can just do a audio recording, and that is fine. Go ahead and watch the video below if you're not sure how to submit those. And I will help you out. So let me know if you have any questions.